How to fix missing stickers on Instagram. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to fix your missing stickers on Instagram. So first, before we really dive into this, you have to make sure that your Instagram application rather is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and search for Instagram. And now if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my Instagram application is updated. And now if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So you have to go back to your homepage and basically open your Instagram application. And let's say you want to post something, then let's just say let's create here, and on the upper middle part, you will see a sticker or the sticker sign. So you click on that here, and as you can see, these are your stickers on Instagram. Now if you are missing a sticker, you may want to just search it up, because Instagram has a lot or various types of stickers such as this. So you may want to just search it. Maybe it's not on the shortcut. So let's say Paul, and it will basically come out there. And if it's still not working, you could actually go to your Play Store again and just check if your Instagram is updated. Maybe the Instagram has actually deleted it or something like that. So after updating it, let's say the sticker is still not there, then there is a probability that it's actually deleted. So let's discard this for a while. And on the bottom part, you will see your profile. You click on your profile there, and on the upper right corner you will see the three dash lines there. You click on that and click on settings. So you may want to check your account if it's actually on professional account, because there are stickers that are not present when you switch your account to a professional account. So you may want to just switch it back to personal account, and basically the missing stickers will come out too. And if it's still not working, maybe there is a problem or there's a bug on your Instagram. So you may want to go to help, and then you would like to report a problem, and basically Instagram will get back to you. So there is a high probability, if the missing sticker is still not there after doing everything, then maybe the sticker is deleted. And basically that is it. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.